Exploring size descriptors, all about thick. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on describing things. Today, we're going to talk about an interesting size descriptor: thick. We'll understand its meaning, how to use it in sentences, and finally, we'll look at some common phrases and idioms that use the word thick. Ready? Let's dive in. Thick is an adjective that describes something as having a large distance from one side to the other, or having a greater size or amount of something from one side to the other. In simpler terms, if something is thick, it's not thin, it's the opposite. Examples: the book is thick. The book has a lot of pages. The soup is thick. The soup is not watery. It has a lot of solid ingredients. Knowing the meaning of thick is one thing, but it's crucial to understand how to use it in sentences. Here's how you can do that. Describing objects. You can use thick to describe the size or dimension of an object. For example, this is a thick blanket. Describing food. Thick can describe the consistency or texture of food or drink. For instance, she prefers thick smoothies. English language is full of fascinating phrases and idioms, and thick is used in many of them. Here are a few examples. Thick and thin. This phrase means, in all types of situations, whether they're good, thin, or bad, thick. For example, we've been friends through thick and thin. Thick-skinned. If someone is thick-skinned, they do not appear to be easily hurt by criticism. For instance, you need to be thick-skinned to survive in politics. And that wraps up our discussion about thick. Remember, this is a very versatile word that you can use in many different contexts, not just to describe the size or dimension of things. We hope this video helps you understand and use the word thick more effectively in your everyday English. Stay curious and keep learning.